Hello friend, welcome back to Kotlin tutorial. In this video, let's introduce a different way to play with code snippet, right? We already know how to play it on the Kotlin REPL here, right? Like that. So this time, let's try to use this app itself to play some code. Like for example, we want to try some code like that, right? For loop, I in 0, a range, right? 5, and we want to print out something, right? And this doesn't work. Print line, let's try it, okay? I equals, this is called string template, right? Let's try it. Does it work? Run it. Here is right Logcat. Can we see? Oh, it's here. Okay, that's not bad. But we want to filter out other stuff. Okay, so yeah, we still filter out other stuff. I dot system out. Okay, maybe you can do this. Edit the filter configuration. Maybe we can just use print line as our filter name. So Logcat. Let's try using this guy. System.out. System.out. Let's see if it works. Okay. Log level. Because this I means info, so let's see this one. Okay. Oh, cool. So we can use print line this way, right? And we don't like those things here, so let's get rid of that. We can click this one here and uncheck everything. Okay. Wow, cool. This I we cannot get rid of that. It means info. Okay, so what if we by the way, this is not necessary. Make a little modification here. I is okay, and run it by clicking here. Okay, so I is okay. We can clear that, and verbose, it doesn't matter. So or we can select that if we only care about the info, right? Because this will be output at the level of info. Run again. Yeah. So if you want to try some code snippet right here, directly inside our app, you can set up the filter. Then yeah, whatever you put here, right? We can, yeah, for example, we can print out like 5 is in, for example, 0.20, right? Let's give a try. Clear is there. Clear that and run. It's true, right? So let's say 35. Is that in this range? Of course not, right? So we'll see false. So run again. This is just an example of the in operator. We'll introduce that later. Yeah, false. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.